Join if you think nobody have crush on you Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I'll show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Alien John YTT. And then from my page you have to go to add yours 2022 stickers at highlights. So this is the newest highlight that I made because those other are now full. So go to add yours 20 next to super viral. This is the first one. And here you have to click until you find a desired sticker. Here, as you can see, I also have many other viral stickers, so you can check these too if you want. And once you are here, you have to click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I will do the story for the video, I will show you from where you can get a YouTube tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let me do the story for the video and then I will show you that tutorial. So now you can go to your uploads and join. If you think nobody has a crush on you, you can select a photo with you. So I will go ahead and do that. So I chose this photo. You can now place your sticker where you want, make it bigger or smaller. And once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? You have to go once again on my Instagram page on Alien John YTT, and from here you will have to go to super viral at highlights, and here you'll find this first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here and it will get you to a video tutorial. It only has 2 to 3 minutes I think, and it's super easy to follow, and it will definitely help you. So make sure to check that. And also guys, you can now join our membership, and there you can see that we have so many perks, like we can now talk with you on private and solve all of your problems about apps and many other things. So don't forget to check that. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.